One of the first machines we got to see was the historic Saturn V rocket, which had been built for the Apollo 18 mission, which never actually left the ground. NASA chemical engineer Norm Chaffee led us down the rocket and explained how the engines provided the thrust necessary to move the 6.5 million pound ship.
Following the Saturn V rocket, we went to the Christopher Kraft Mission Control Center, where we were able to observe the old Mission Control from the Apollo missions and the new Mission Control which is currently managing the International Space Station. It was amazing to see differences between the old and the new.
As part of our mission to Mars, we were also challenged with the objective of safely designing and landing a team-conceived capsule using materials such as chicken wire and plastic parachutes. We aimed to land as softly as possible and as close to the designated target as we could.
On Tuesday, we traveled to the vehicle mock-up facility at Building 9, where we were able to see scale mock-ups of structures such as ISS modules and Soyuz. We also were able to see some robots being worked on for future use, as well as some exploration vehicles.
We also designed a 3D tool to aid in the repair of a coolant system with minimal working space. We incorporated a straight blade screwdriver, as well as a standard wrench size and a wing nut loosener to a 3D design, which was printed on a 3D printer.
On Thursday, we saw a presentation of the experimental Morpheus lander. The Morpheus will not be used as a Martian lander, but was a demonstration of technology. The first lander, Alpha, crashed during its second flight. Just a month later, the Bravo model was completed and performed 12 flights. This shows perseverance through hardship.
The ongoing project, and ultimately the climax to our week at NASA, was our PDR. This consisted of a rover model that we built to accomplish 3 overall goals that contributed to the mission to Mars. We learned the importance of communication when collaborating with the other teams to discuss exactly how all of our projects essentially had to combine for a successful mission. On Thursday, we presented our ideas to a panel of NASA experts.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Swarmer. I've been honored to be both mentor and mentee with Bravo team. This team has come together to develop their project from conceptual idea to polished product. With the talent, teamwork, and tenacity of Bravo team, I'm sure it won't be long until we're leaving footprints on Mars.
As a systems manager, I think the most important lesson that Bravo team learned was teamwork. Teamwork is everywhere at HASS this week, from helping each other with our projects to bigger things like working with Alpha, Delta, and Charlie to make new rockets, and even seeing how Mission Control has to function as a team. Teamwork is a huge part of NASA, and I believe that it's a major reason for why NASA is so successful. After talking with the team, we decided our favorite part about HASS was being able to meet people from all over Texas who shared our passions for going beyond what we can see and exploring what we can't. The overall environment of this week was exhilarating, and even though we have only known each other for a few days, I think it will be very hard to say goodbye.